Jackson, Tennessee. And today I thought we would just hang out and chit chat for a little bit. Pretty much I have another one of the Gnome add-on dies, and I was gonna put it together for a swap, and then I thought, that's a lot. I mean, this is a lot of pieces, y'all, for one piece. And imagine trying to make 20 or 30. It's way too much. So I thought, okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and put it together. I haven't put this one together yet, so we're going to do it together. Since I've been taking some time off in November, I thought, you know, I have been working on swaps and getting caught up on life and dealing with everything, and I've enjoyed having a little bit of a break from filming, but I thought let's hang out. Y'all like to see me put these together. I'm just gonna use the ground espresso distress oxide ink, and you know, if you wanted to get crazy with it, you know, you can always, let's see, okay, so it will have an edge, so I'll ink. If you wanted to get crazy, you know, matching up colors of ink and all that stuff for the different things, you totally can do that, but I don't. I just choose to use all the same color. And this one is actually, this one's actually my favorite ink, not color-wise, but for inking, and I use this one more than any other, so it's about time for me to get a refill. Now, I have organized my scrap bin a little bit and condensed stuff down, thrown it away. Y'all might have saw on the group, but I managed to condense it down to this bin of just scraps. So I have to say, I saw Terry Ross's video. Should go check her out. And pretty much I saw her video of where she kept a little bin of things to die cut, and you know, I never thought of it that way, but I may actually go back and organize it by color so it's easy to pull whatever color scraps I need to do, but I'm not there yet. Sorry about that, I got a phone call. Okay, now back to what I was saying. I don't even remember. You can ink in different color ink if you want to, but I just choose to use the same no matter what. Like I said, I've organized my scraps. I'm not quite there yet color wise, but in this brown, can't really tell the difference. You can a little bit, so I do it anyways. And then the nose, I'd go very, very, very lightly. So, how is everyone doing out there? Are you excited that the holidays are upon us, or are you stressed out? I love this time of year. Absolutely love it. Fall's my favorite season. But with me having lots of health issues, I haven't got to go out and enjoy it as much as I would like this year. But I am excited. I'm excited about Christmas. And I have some embellishment videos coming up that I have done of these little gnomes and things like that, that's Christmas themed, but they're not going to post until December because I'm just, I like each holiday to have its own time, and it's fine if you're already decorated for Christmas and in the Christmas mood. I am ready for Christmas this year, but I like to celebrate fall because it's like it's gone in a blink, and I don't put up my Christmas stuff until after Thanksgiving just because, you know, I don't want to be guessing in my pictures Awful memory, and I don't want to be guessing in my pictures, is that Christmas or Thanksgiving? So I like to, I like to celebrate fall and all that within the season. Okay, I have little junky pieces of stuff everywhere, and I think I have an extra one of these. I just cut out, like I said, my scraps, some things that I thought would make a good fall looking turkey. So it's some crazy stuff, patterns or whatever, but it's okay because as of right now, this turkey is just for me anyways, because I am in no way making 20 or 30 of them. Now I did do the Christmas ones, and I made 20 so far, I think, of them. That y'all probably saw posted over on Ginger's corner group. But I I can't do this one because it's way too many pieces, and it just wears my arm out cranking. And it's still trying to heal because it's broke. So I'm not supposed to be doing all that, and I have to use my left hand to crank it. So it's been interesting. Okay, so I think I have everything inked here. Okay, so let me unsticky my glue. Hopefully it'll come out. Yep, a little bit. Okay. Alright, let's just start by putting together the pie. So we have this piece for the pie, this piece. Technically this one was supposed to be the base, but yeah, something happened. I didn't realize it was the base. I was thinking it was the pan. So we're just going to glue this on over this. And I actually cut them out of two different colors of metallic paper. So there's that. Like I said, I just pulled scraps. So, okay. So then you have this. And I made a pumpkin pie, but I do not like pumpkin pie. I do not like anything pumpkin. Like, I just don't. I never have. So, sorry to all y'all pumpkin spice people. That is the one thing about fall that I do not like. Now, apples, I'm on board with apple stuff. I love apple stuff. Alright. That might stay on. It's a little bit harder to glue on because of it being metallic paper. So this is just the crust over the top of the pie, you know, the pretty part. We'll put it on. And then put on our whipped cream. Okay. Voila. And then our hands will go on there, so we can just go ahead and add those. It doesn't want to stick with the metallic paper as well, so. Okay. So there's our pies complete. Okay, let's put the hat together next. It's just a bunch of assembling a bunch of little pieces to, you know, for the bigger piece. Okay. So this is going to go on. Actually, let's put the brim of his hat on. And this is where you can get creative with stuff. You know, you can pop some stuff up to give it more of a dimensional look and all that. So, but I'm not going to do that because layering up multiple layers of paper, it's already going to get some dimension to it. And then I'm going to put this on. I just cut this out of the gold foil paper. Okay, and there's his hat. Now, if you actually look this picture up of this gnome, pretty much he is wearing a regular gnome hat, and then it has a little turkey face that you can put on it, you know, to make him look like a turkey. So then he has a turkey hat on, and then his face, and then, the feathers, but I decided I wanted my turkey to wear a pilgrim hat, so that is what I'm doing. Okay, let's see. We're gonna trim this down just because. We're gonna glue this on. Look how cute! Okay. My glue ain't coming out real well. It's almost empty. I'm gonna have to refill it. Okay, so let's put this on, and then let's put his feet, well, his shoes, I should say. Look how cute. This is gonna be adorable. Okay, and then his mustache. And with it being this dark of a paper, actually, I would switch inks. I'm not going to because I'm already into it, but I would switch inks and just ink this in a black so that it just has that differentiates, you know, trying to use those big words that I can't pronounce. So that it looks different. There we go, between his mustache and his beard. So, okay. I'll put a piece of, I will pop up his nose. I like to pop up the nose. Okay. Ain't that adorable? That's cute, just as is. And then, of course, holding the pie. Is that not the cutest? And I'm going to pop up the pie, too, while I'm at it. Is that not the cutest? Okay, now let's assemble his feathers so that he can become a turkey. Okay, so I just have these. Like I said, I just cut weird scraps. And I'm just going to alternate colors. I just went with some fallish looking colors that I could use. Let's do this one. I have to stick my needle back in here. It's not coming out very good. Let's see if that fixes it. Oh yeah, much better. Okay, so we'll do this one, and we'll do this one. Alright, there's that part. And then these little things are just made to go on here as more decorations. So, it's not coming out again. Why are you messing up on me? Okay. Oh, there we go. It's coming out now. Probably too much. Okay. And this has, I don't know know that these are two different sizes, but one does look smaller to me. I don't know. Okay. Either way, you can totally double them up if you would like. Like, you can make it, you know, more pattern, less pattern. You know, get creative. I'm just going to do one for now, because a lot of them's going to be covered up anyways with the hat and stuff. All right. There's that. And then pretty much, look how cute. I love it. It's so adorable. I am going to pop him up off of this though. I got little bits and pieces everywhere from cutting. Okay. Is that not adorable? I love it, love it, love it. Okay, so then I am just going to take my white gel pen. Let me close up my glue. It's going to start running out now. It's going to try to work. Okay. Pretty much I am just going to do my little, you know, adding a little character, texture, whatever you want to call it. Let's do this. This needs to be fixed. I doubled up my tape just a tiny bit when I did it, and it's making it get all wonky. Okay, let's just do a different piece. Okay. Is that not the cutest, y'all? I love it, love it, love it. And you know, you can go in and do on his little feathers, and you know, y'all know me, I'll just keep going if I don't stop myself. Okay, but I love it. Like I said, this is the first time I put it together with y'all. So this is the first time I've put this one together, and I love it. And I'm sure I'll be making more. Probably not 20 or 30 of them. I don't know. I might just do the basic gnome with the pilgrim with the pie, because it's still super cute. That would be so cute for Thanksgiving, and just leave the feathers off for, you know, 20 gnomes or so. But, okay, well, thanks for hanging out with me, y'all. It's been a minute since I posted. Like I said, I've just been taking a little break, cleaning up some stuff from my mess from 30 days, reorganizing, cat proofing. I finally moved my tape and stuff in my dauber so the cat couldn't steal them. And so I don't know. I'll be back soon. I have some design team stuff coming up, and through the rainbow, all those things. So I will post a few times this month. So until next time, bye y'all.